Hello everyone, welcome to GrowMed. In this video, we will discuss about how to study anatomy for the Fmge exam. So I will be discussing some tips and tricks which you can utilize to make your anatomy preparation more easier. So here, first of all, anatomy is a very huge subject, and to cover the whole things only you will need approximately 4 to 5 months. So as we do not have so much time, what I suggest you to do is go through the PYTs. So make a list of the PYTs, note down the important things and the repeat questions which are asked in the Fmge exam. And let me tell you one thing about the exam of the anatomy. According to the analysis of the PYQs, most of the questions are the PYTs or the PYQs. So the list is very important. I have already made a list and I have shared it in my Telegram channel, so you can get the list there. So, and side by side from tomorrow onwards we will be starting the anatomy revision. So if you want to join this 3 days revision session, you can join on my Telegram channel, where I'll be sharing the PDFs, the videos from where you must do and how you need to approach to the anatomy. So first was about this topics. So PYQs and the past 5 years are very important. You need to solve this. Then the pattern of the exam is usually the image based questions. So 7 to 8 images are asked in the anatomy, and the images will be something like they will give a image of the brain and they'll ask the marking which area it is or what is the function. So from the neuroanatomy, usually the brain's image is given and it is asked. Okay, so that one is important. Then a cross section of various organs is given and they'll ask what is the ligament or what is the surface of the border, something like that. So questions, these are the pattern of the questions which are asked, the image based questions. So if you solve the PYQs, you will come to know the pattern of the questions. Then about the sources to from where to study, I suggest you to go with the RR videos, because you don't have that much time now to cover whole thing in the anatomy. So better you go to the RR videos. And now I'll tell you what all points you must focus more on. See, the first point is from the embryology. From the embryology, you need to cover on the neural tube defects first, then about the embryological derivatives, then the embryological defects which will be happening like the omphalocele gastroschisis, those all things. And histology images, image based questions are asked on the histology. Then the epithelium, which epithelium is present where. So these are the basic things and the questions asked from the general anatomy. Then moving on to the neuroanatomy. Neuroanatomy questions are asked on the brain, marking of the brain, and the image based questions. Then on the cranial nerves, so you need to have a whole idea of the cranial nerve, which are motor, which are sensory, their functions, everything. Then after that, yes, so these are the important things from the neuroanatomy which you must know. Likewise, from the head and neck, you need to know about the muscles of the mastication, then the sensory supply and the motor supply of the head, the muscles present in the head, and the eye movements, the movements of the eyeball, the muscles involved in the eyeball movement, those things from the head and neck. And the nerves, so nerve supply of the whole head and neck. Then atrial supply is also very important one. Then moving on to that, cavernous sinus, that is also an important one. Then next one is about the upper limb. So in the upper limb, usually questions are asked on the muscles of the upper limb, then on the nerve supply and on the atrial supply, and questions are also asked on the injuries, the nerve injuries. So this is the sequence which you'll be going in the upper limb. Now after that, go to the thorax, and in the thorax the questions are asked on the organs in the thorax, the borders, the surfaces, and the functions, the atrial supply, and all these things. Okay, so this is about the thorax. Then moving on to the lower limb. So lower limb also same, nerves, muscles, the location of the muscles, the function of the muscles, the nerve supply, and the atrial supply. So if you go in this sequence, now all these things will be covered in 3 days. So first start with the histology, the general histology, embryology, then start with the neuro, then go with the head and neck, thorax, then upper limb and lower limb. So like this you can cover the anatomy in the 3 days. Okay, and about the pattern also we have discussed image based questions. So have a look at all the images asked in the past years, not only FMGE, go through the images of the NEET PG also, and there are various miscellaneous topics from which the questions are asked, like the joints, then the pharyngeal arches is also an important one, so note down these things also, pharyngeal arches. So this is about the topics which you must focus more on. For the detailed list of these topics, you can join my Telegram channel. So this is how you need to study for the anatomy. You need to divide your time based on this one, and in the 3 days we can solve the anatomy along with the MCQs. So evening sessions usually from 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, keep 2 hours for the solving the MCQs. So you can go through any Q bank from any of the app. From there you can solve the MCQs, or in the Telegram channel. There are various channels which are providing the MCQs, so you can join from that also. So in the evening time, keep 2 or 3 hours for the MCQs. Okay, so side by side start solving the MCQs also. So this is about the anatomy. You can also read about the one-liners, focus more on the one-liners, because questions can be asked, like twist and turn questions can be asked in the clinical case based, where by a single line you can come to know the answer. So yes, this is about the study plan for the anatomy. So from tomorrow we are going to start this revision sessions in the Telegram channel. So join that. The link is given in the description box, so you can join and start your preparation from tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, share it with your friends, subscribe to GrowMed, and yes, support me. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. All the best for the exam.